Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with the Eufy Smart Plug Mini. Now this is a product, Eufy is a company that's made by Anker, A-N-K-E-R. You've probably heard of them. They make a lot of battery powered accessories, they make audio accessories, they make all sorts of really cool technology goodness. Well, their other company, Eufy, is their smart home stuff. So they've got the Genie, which I'm going to do a review on. You'll see the video on that later. The Genie can control this, working with Alexa. You can do the whole voice control thing, and it's really fancy. So you can control it remotely. You can schedule the lighting. It's got an away mode. You can even track your electricity usage for whatever it's plugged into. So it does have a leg up on some of the competition in many areas. And the great thing is you can use it without having a hub. So some devices, some smart home devices require you to have a smart hub. So you'll have to have like a Google Assistant device, or you'll have to have an Alexa device, like the Echo Dot or the Lenovo Smart Display, Google Home. There's like all sorts of different stuff that you can use to control them through voice activation. But this one, you can use it directly with the app. So you can use the Eufy Home app, and you can turn it on, turn it off. You can set your schedule. You can do all that cool stuff. And you can even incorporate it with the Amazon Alexa app or through the hub, so you can control it through your voice. So if you got a lamp that's sitting in a room, you'll be like, okay Alexa, or hey Alexa, turn off the light, whatever you program it to. So you could call it light, you could call it lamp, you could have it, call it gigawatts or gigawatts, whatever you want to call it. And that's what you'll name it, and you can tell it turn it on, turn it off. So you're limited to the on-off function. So it doesn't do any other magical stuff. It's not like, okay, turn the power on and turn my TV to channel 33. It doesn't do anything beyond just turning it on and turning it off. But it is very nice and it's very convenient. I have it set up in my room. Well, not right now because it's in the box and fixed to show it to you. But I have had it set up in my room for my lamp. So it's nice at night. Plug it into a fan. It works really well when it comes to like automation for the lights in your house. So like if you want to go out of town and you want to put it on the lamp in your living room, you can control it with the app while you're gone, or even set the timer. So if you want the lights to come on at 6, whenever the sun goes down, or whatever time, you know, daylight savings, all that garbage. But it's a really nice thing to have, and it's only $22.99. You can pick it up on Amazon. It's got the Prime 2-day shipping, and this is what it looks like. It's very unobtrusive. I don't really know why they call it the Mini. It's not overly Mini-esque. It's mostly the size of other ones that I've seen and I've used. But you've got the pairing button over here, so you can use that for initial setup. You've got a little LED light, and it shows you that the Wi-Fi is working, so it'll connect. And then it's just got the regular 3-prong plug like any other outlet plug would have. Now, it's super neat. It's a little too difficult for me to go plug this in, do the video review stuff all at the same time, but I'm going to show you the app. Or I may just say screw it and carry this over there and show you anyway. So the Eufy Home app, you can get it. Let me turn my brightness down. So there we go. So you got the Eufy Home app, and you can see on here it's offline right now. So yeah, I don't think I can pick up my recording and take it over there. Hold on. All right, I got a plan. So we'll do this in place. All right, so what we have here is I have this cool power station that I plug things in with, plug the outlet into the wall, and we're in business. There we go. So the outlet's plugged into the wall. You can see the little green power ring lights up. Now you can see on here on the app, light on. Won't come on anymore. Light on. There we go. So you can power it this way. And this one has an automatic shut off thing, so whenever you unplug it, that's why the light's not coming back on. But you can see it turns off. No work. It's on. Press a button. Turn it on. Now you want to make sure it's plugged into something that works that way. Now when you click on it, you can go in like this, and you can see the energy usage. You can see the total runtime. You can press the button to turn it on or off again, and you'll hear in the background, it makes a clicking noise. so you know that it's turning on and off. Go in here to schedule, set the schedules up, so you can set it up on away mode, you can add a schedule, you can go in here and you can set for AM, PM, you can do it to repeat Sunday through Saturday, all that good stuff. So that's really cool. And you can even set a timer. So if you want to set it on your TV, and this would actually be kind of nice if you have a TV that doesn't have a sleep mode, if you're like me and you lost the remote for one of them, you can go ahead and set it on here. You could do it for like 30 minutes, you can do it for an hour, have it plugged into your TV, and then voila, it'll turn it off in 30 minutes or 45 minutes or whatever you set the timer for. So that's a really nice feature as well. You set the parameters for it, you hit start, you're cooking with gas. And that's pretty much it. I do have the Genie set up as well in the other room and the RoboVac. So I'm going to go ahead and make another review video so you can see how it works with the voice assistant, because I'm going to do a review for the Genie as well. My written review is done, but I got to get the video to embed in it. So this is the Eufy Smart Plug Mini. I'm a big fan of it. It's a good price for the product, $22.99. They've really come down in price over the years. The app integration's gotten better, the voice support's gotten better. All around, I think we're really at the point where it's beneficial and cost effective to start adding them into your home. And I like it. So very easy to set up. The app's very easy to use. It walks you through all of it. The instructions are spot on and they help you through whatever you need. Even connecting it through Alexa with the Alexa app so you can use it that way. That's all I've got for the Eufy Smart Plug Mini. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comments section. Let me know what you think or ask any questions so I can get back with you on how it works. And I appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you next time.